Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, GeForce Experience updated, and the latest game-ready driver installed. Once done, make sure your monitor supports high refresh or G-Sync because Reflex reduces system latency more when frames are steady. Now close overlays and background apps that spike CPU or GPU usage. Launch Valorant in full screen or full screen windowed to allow the driver-level optimizations to work. You are starting the process with the system prepared so Reflex can measure and reduce latency accurately. You now enable Reflex features inside Nvidia software. First, open GeForce Experience and enable experimental or advanced game optimizations if required. This exposes Reflex toggles. Then open Nvidia Control Panel and set low latency mode to on or ultra to tighten frame queuing. This complements Reflex by preventing extra input lag. Once done, use the in-game overlay or Valorant's graphics settings to turn on Nvidia Reflex low latency. This ties the driver measurements directly to the game engine for best results. You finish by confirming Reflex is active inside Valorant and verifying reductions using the latency HUD or practice range timing. If you see higher latency, change low latency mode from ultra to on and disable overlays such as Discord, FPS counters, or streaming tools. These often add unexpected input delay. If problems continue, perform a clean driver install and test with a wired mouse and stable Ethernet connection to isolate hardware or network causes. This completes the setup and gives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.